Hello everyone! You're watching the WhatsApp Automation series, how to automate customer support on WhatsApp for your business and Shopify store. In the previous video, we showed how to create a Facebook account. If you haven't watched it yet, make sure to watch it first, because a Facebook profile is needed to create a Facebook page. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a Facebook page easily. So let's get started. First, open your browser and go to Google. In the search bar, type facebook.com and open the website. Once the page loads, you will see your Facebook account already logged in. Now, on the left side of the screen, you will see different menu options under your profile. Scroll down a little and click on See More so that the rest of the options become visible. After that, scroll through the list and you will find the Pages option. Click on Pages to open the Facebook Pages section. On this page, you will see the option Create Page. Click on this button to start creating a new page. Now, Facebook will show you two options. The first option is Public Page, and the second option is Upgrade your existing profile. If you want to create a page for a business, brand, or online store, you should choose the Public Page option. But if you want to use your personal profile with professional tools, you can select the second option according to your needs. For this tutorial, I will select Public Page and then click Next. Now, you will need to enter some basic information about your page. First, enter your page name. Here, you can type the name of your brand or business. For this example, I'm entering a demo name. Next, select the category of your business. The category should match the type of business you have. For example, if you run a women's clothing store, you can select categories like women's clothing store or shopping center. After that, you will see the bio section. Here you can write a short description about your page so people can understand what your page or business is about. Once you have added this information, click on Create Page. In the next step, Facebook may ask for some additional details. If you have a website, you can add your website link here. If you don't have one yet, you can simply leave this field blank for now. Below that, you can also add your contact number and email address so that customers can easily reach you. Then, in the Location section, add your address and city, and after entering the details, click Next. Now you will be asked to upload a profile photo and a cover photo for your page. After uploading the images, click Next. The next step is connecting WhatsApp to your page. If you want a WhatsApp contact button to appear on your Facebook page, you can enter your WhatsApp number here. You will receive a verification code which you need to enter to confirm the connection. For now, I'm going to skip this step. After that, click Next, and in the final step, simply click on the Done button. And that's it! Your Facebook page has now been successfully created. After creating the page, you can add more details in the About section, customize your page settings, and start posting content related to your business. That brings us to the end of this tutorial. In the next video, we will see how to use this Facebook page to set up a Meta Business profile. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple guides about Meta Business and Shopify. I'll see you in the next video.